So the big reason to upgrade from the Centauri Carbon to the Centauri Carbon 2 is to get the AMS system, the canvas system that allows you to automatically swap filaments on the fly while printing. So I could print dumb shit like this. Look at my little ducks here. These are mummified ducks. They have the mummy wrapping around them. And the beaks, it says it's red, like from Elegoo. It's a Elegoo red filament. That looks like duck beak orange to me. Like, I am really happy with how the colors turned out. The eyes, look how the eyes kind of follow you around a little bit, the shimmer. I used this filament, so from one side it looks blue. Let's see, it's just gonna look blue all together now, isn't it? Now if you get over here, you can see it has some red, and that's really it, a blue and red silk with maybe a little green in the middle. And look at how that looks on the eyes. Oh yeah. So the way this worked out is I actually printed these at half size. They're supposed to be twice this size. And we got a couple cruises coming up. I need to kind of pump these out in bulk because I like setting them out and giving them away so people can find them on the cruise ship and take home something kind of neat and unique. So I want to kick these out in higher volume. So I shrunk them. I used the clone function and fill bed. And it didn't put as many as I wanted, so I manually shifted them around, and it looks like it came out just fine. Now, once again, I have only run the, down here in the, I think it was down, maybe it's up here, whatever the calibration is, I did the automatic setup. When I took it out of the box and put it together, you power it on, it runs you through an automated setup. That's all I've done. I have not done any more leveling or PID testing or anything. And these came out, and they held well enough, but when it cooled off, look at that. So I did kind of the minimal support and said only support critical areas because it wanted to put supports all over this. There's all sorts of little overhangs. I said, you know what, I think it's going to be fine. And like right up here, that probably could have used a touch of support under there. But overall, one little support to hold the beak up, the top part of the beak, it looks okay. I mean, it looks good enough for what it is. I love the moving look of the eyes that the silk filament gave. Oh yeah, I am absolutely thrilled. Elegoo, I was happy with the Centauri Carbon. I'm still happy with it, okay? And I've got a print in here that I'm gonna have to get out. Looks like the supports fell over in this, and it's still printed. That's the poop chute for the back of the Centauri Carbon 2. And I mean, that looks good enough. It doesn't have to be beautiful. It just has to work, right? So, all right. Thrilled with how the AMS worked on my first, multicolor, multiple print on the Elegoo Centauri Carbon 2. Oh yeah. Like, subscribe, and follow so you don't miss any of our Maker Channel nonsense.